Welcome to Chemistry for 10+2. Hello students. In this series of Chem for 10+2, we are dealing with the new syllabus of the year 2020, and today we are going to learn preparation methods of alkyl halides. Under this topic, we are going to learn the preparation of alkyl halides from saturated hydrocarbons reacting with chlorine. So let's begin. Hello students. Now we are going to understand how to prepare alkyl halides from saturated hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbon here we are going to use are saturated hydrocarbons. So let's begin. Halogenation of alkanes. As we know, alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. So we are going to see halogenation of alkanes and we are going to prepare alkyl halides. So let's begin. Alkyl halides can be formed by the action of chlorine on alkanes. Let's see the actual reaction, how the reaction is taking place. Here RH is alkanes, wherein R is the alkyl group and H is the hydrogen. So here this is an alkane. When alkane is treated with chlorine, here to understand well, it has shown two atoms Cl, Cl bonded to each other. This is Cl2. So when the reaction is taking place, the reaction is taking place in the presence of diffused sunlight, and as we can see here, the highlighted part is removed and the R, that is alkyl group of alkane, gets bonded to chlorine atom, and thus the reaction proceeds. So here we can see R and Cl forms bond to give alkyl chloride, and the byproduct obtained is H and Cl, that is HCl. Instead of diffused sunlight, the reaction can take place in the presence of ultraviolet light or at high temperature also. This is the general reaction we have seen. Now let's see the example. Here the saturated hydrocarbon taken is methane, CH3H, that is CH4. When it is treated with chlorine in the presence of diffused sunlight, we find here this highlighted part gets removed and CH3 of methane forms bond with Cl. Thus, methyl chloride is obtained and HCl is removed. The reaction continues till all the hydrogen atoms in alkanes are replaced one by chlorine to give mono, di, tri, tetrahalogen derivatives. That means here we have seen one hydrogen is removed and replaced by chlorine atom. Thus monohalogen derivative is obtained. This monohalogen derivative again reacts with chlorine to remove one hydrogen again from this methyl group, and thus till the end of the reaction we find all the 4 hydrogen atoms of this methane are removed to give tetrahalogen derivatives, to give all the 4 types of halogen derivatives. Thus, the obtained halogen derivatives cannot be separated easily. That is why this method of preparation of alkyl halide is not preferred. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like it and share it with your friends.